Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wellness with Vibha. I am your host Vibha, and today we are going to learn how we can improve our concentration. If you have a hard time focusing, you have come to the right place. Today we are going to learn Tratak through two simple techniques. Our eyes are under constant strain by either looking at the phone or staring at the TV or perhaps working all day at the computer. Or you might be a student who has a lot to read and has that exam tension. Tratak not only improves concentration, but it also helps relieve eye strain. In addition, it helps to internalize the mind, making it very easy to fall asleep. So let's get started. To begin, let's sit comfortably in Sukhasana. You can place a pillow under your hips to give it some height if that's more comfortable for you today. Comfortably cross your legs in front of you like this, or you can place one ankle in front of the other like this. It depends on what makes you feel comfortable today. To begin our practice, the first one, we are going to gaze at the tip of our thumbnail. Let's begin with the right hand. Bring the right hand in front of you comfortably. Make sure there's not too much tension in your shoulder. Hold it in front of your eyes and focus at the tip of your thumb. We are going to follow the tip of our thumb all the way towards the right and then bring it back to the center. Let's begin. Slowly and steadily, watching the tip of the right thumb. Follow it with your eyes without moving the chin. Try not to blink your eyes, but if you must, that's fine today. When you can no longer see the tip of your thumb, begin to bring it back to the center. Very slowly and steadily. Now we are going to take it towards our left shoulder. Continue to follow the tip of the thumb without moving the chin. Trying not to blink, but that's okay today. When you can no longer see it, bring it back to the center. Join the left thumb to your right. Shift your gaze towards the left thumb. Now we are going to follow the thumb all the way towards the left. Slow and steady. We are trying to build focus and concentration here. Let's keep our intention in mind. All the way to the left. And then slowly bringing it back. Now following the tip all the way towards the right side. Follow the tip of the thumb back to the center where it will join with the right thumb. Now we are going to follow the thumb towards the nose, slowly and steadily bringing it towards the nose till it's comfortable for you to look at it. And that was our first practice today. Our next practice is called candle gazing. We are going to gaze at the flame of the candle. So go ahead and grab a candle just like this and bring it to your eye level. This is a very cleansing kriya and it's great to perform before falling asleep. Holding the candle flame at the eye level, focus all your attention on the tip of the flame. As you look at the tip of the flame, the impression of this flame becomes internalized. As you continue to look at the tip of the flame, your eyes will begin to water a little. This is extremely cleansing and soothing for the eyes. Stare at it till you feel comfortable today. Now close your eyes and you should be able to see the flame under your eyelids. As you see the image of the flame, just focus on that. Allow the eyes to rest in this image. And when you are ready, gently warm the palms. Slowly cover your eyelids. If you can still watch the flame under your eyelids, that's great. Gently blink the eyelids open. Welcome back. This is an extremely cleansing Kriya that helps you fall asleep by relieving a lot of the eye strain. Initially, you may find it really hard to stare at the flame for even 10 seconds, but keep at it and you will improve with time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this Kriya helps you sleep better. Stay tuned to Mind, Body and Soul for another episode of Wellness with Vibha, where we continue our journey to developing a deeper and more loving relationship with ourselves.